Hi, my name is Nicole Mead. I own Mead's Discount Doors and More in Tucker, Georgia, and this video is to give you a real brief education on sidelight units. If you happen to have a sidelight unit, which is this door behind me, in your current home and you want to change it out because it's either rotted, you don't like the style, you want to upgrade, whatever reason. So this is going to give you just a really brief some information to help you move forward in that selection and decision process. Now, we have informational videos, more educational videos that you can sign up for. You can follow the link to do that. You can follow us on the Facebook page. We post videos there. You can come into our store to talk to us. Our number one thing that we love to do for customers is actually come out to your home. It's called an in-home expert consultation. We'll take all the measurements. We'll walk you through everything, figure out that this stuff will or won't work for you, and it's guaranteed. It's on us. We take care of everything. But again, this is called a sidelight unit. It was really popular in homes in the 1980s, 90s, 2000s. It's a very builder grade configuration. It's got a 6-panel center door. That's what this is. And then it's got side lights. These are called side lights. Glass in door nomenclature is called lights. So these are called side lights. Now, the style is very, like I said, the style and configuration and everything is very builder grade. This represents a hole in your home. So this door is actually just in a hole about this size in your home. You can take it in or out. What you fill in that hole with is what we're going to talk about today. Again, you can go put this door back in that same hole. Right now, September 2020, at my store, we're selling this very standard version. This is primed. You can paint it whatever color you want, for $580, September 2020. We will give you a measure, in-home expert consultation, deliver, install it for an additional $505, as long as you're 10 miles in the store, and then we go up for distance. But that's in addition to the door. And again, we love to do that with customers because it guarantees there's not going to be any mistakes. So this is one option. Now you could upgrade to so many other versions of doors, and I'll try to walk around the store a little bit and show you some other options of just sidelight units that you could go to if you did it. So everybody's getting dizzy. There's Craftsman. This is a gorgeous Craftsman version. It's actually in stainable fiberglass that you can stain to look like wood. There's full light glass versions. There's solid center doors with decorative side lights. There's all sorts of different versions. We have tons of them at our store. You can buy them online. You can see you can buy them online from our website. We're working hard to get that up and going. Or you can come to the store, obviously. But this is what I would like to talk to you about. Don't get stuck thinking that you have to replace a sidelight unit with a sidelight unit. You don't have to do that. This door, this beautiful double door, which is one of our most popular sellers right now, goes in the same exact hole as a sidelight unit. You could take out that sidelight unit and put a double door in. Double doors tend to be slightly more expensive. This stainable fiberglass double door is $2,100 right now at the store. We have versions of mahogany. We have so many versions. We'll look at those in a minute. But the visual impact it will have on your home is significant. The curb appeal is significant. Again, that sidelight unit's a builder grade. This makes a home look a lot more custom. I mean, look around your own neighborhood, see which doors have double doors versus sidelight units. The one with double doors look a lot more expensive. So we've got so many gorgeous double door options that I can show you. Let me walk around a little bit. Here's all the mahogany versions, but we'll talk about that on another video. So you can do a lot of different things with double doors, with the sidelight units when you take them out and you can put a double door in. Now, when a lot of people have a sidelight unit with a little piece of glass at the top. I think we've got one over here. I can show you. It's called a transom. It looks like this on your sidelight unit at your home. It may actually have a piece of glass along the top. That's called a transom. That's actually attached to your current sidelight unit. Again, That's just part of the hole that's in your house. If you take all of that out, you can replace it with we call it a retro-sized double door unit, like something like that. Isn't that gorgeous? And that will take up where your sidelight unit was and where the transom was. It all fits in the same hole. We have so many different versions of that. And so many gorgeous styles of that. Let me walk around a little bit more and try to show you guys some of our really pretty double doors that can go in that. All these doors, most of these doors are just primed. You're either going to paint or stain them. And again, this is not meant to be a shopping hour. It's more education, information. But so you can take out the sidelight units and put in that transom and put in a double door to take up that entire space. Like I said, the visual impact is significant, and that's what we would recommend. Now, you are going to spend a bit more money. This double door unit, this one I just showed you, currently September 2020 is $3,500. It's $3,500. Now, there is going to be an additional charge if you want us to deliver it, install it. We do the in-home consultation to make sure it all fit. We'll haul away your old one. We do everything but stain it or paint it. Again, highly recommend that. Let us do our job. We want to do that. We want to make it easy breezy for you guys. But anyway, this video was just to kind of give you an idea of what you could do if you get rid of your current sidelight unit and some of your options, if you put it back in a sidelight unit, or if you upgrade to a double door. Thanks.